Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is production function in the short run and long run. First, we will discuss production function in the short run. See, short run is a period of time when some factors are fixed and some are variable. Accordingly, output can be increased only by using more of a variable factor. See, when one factor is a fixed factor and the other is a variable factor, production function may be specified as, see, Qx is the function of labor and capital. Qx is the output of good x, is the function of labor, L is labor and a variable factor, and this K here is capital, but sign shows it's a fixed factor. You see, in this type of production function, output can be increased only by increasing the application of L, the variable factor. So this following equation illustrates the point further. See, 40x is the function of 5L and 4k in equation first, and 45x is the function of 6L and 4k in equation second. If you see these two equations, we find that k is constant at 4 points. Output increases from 40 to 45 units of commodity X because input of labor has increased from 5 to 6 units. Since K is constant and only labor changes, L changes, the ratio or proportion between L and K tends to change. So accordingly, short period production function is also called variable proportion type of production function. We will discuss that in next topic. So this is the production function in the short run. Now, what's production function in the long run? See, long period is a period of time when all factors are variable. When all factors are variable. Accordingly, output can be increased by using more of all factors of production. Since all the factors are variable, so we can maintain the ideal ratio of labor and capital for all levels of output. Now recall equation first here, 40x function of 5L and 4k, and the third equation 80x is the function of 10L and 8k. That's equation third. You see, the ratio of 5L is to 4k in equation first is the same as the ratio of 10L and 8k in equation third. So implying that output is doubled from 40x to 80x when all factor inputs labor and capital are doubled. You see, from 5L to 10L and from 4k to 10k. So such a production function is long period production function. This is also called constant proportion type of production